Hey, what you doing?
Whoa, whoa.
Havasupai Falls is the main falls, but now since we checked that place out, we're gonna check out a couple more falls. This one's called Mooney Falls, and there's this small little cave thing that funnels everyone down to the waterfall, and so it's like only a couple people can go through at the same time, I think. So there's this huge line, and it's really hot. So we found this little overhang right here. We're just chilling.
What we do is we take a photo of my family from this angle, so then it's like, oh. At which point we will take a photo of us mooning the camera at Mooney Falls. Are you vlogging, Andrew?
That way.
This idea, it was like, what is this falls called? Mooney. Mooney. I was like, Mooney. Wow, that's funny. I could like moon in front of the falls. And then they did it. It's okay.
Ow! My strap burned.
What did you want me to do?